Hi everyone, welcome to the AVC Labs channel. Today our video content is about how to upscale AI-generated images with AVC AI. Just search for AVC AI and you will come to its main interface. Click here to upload AI-generated images to the program. Here you can see the pixels of each image. Let's upscale them to better quality. Turn on upscale and adjust the size to 200%. It will increase the quality of the images while enlarging them. Now just wait for the image processing to complete. Then you can view the upscale effect of the images in turn. Swipe the white vertical bar left and right to see the contrast effect before and after processing. You can clearly feel the changes in picture quality. Proper face brightening makes the picture look better and not too exaggerated. If you are satisfied, just click the red button to download. Finally, can you recognize who these 4 images are? Please leave your comment.